So why do you start your trip, your career with Jester Flight Dispatcher School?
Yes, we decided to start this school in order to provide a fully and comprehensive training to flight dispatcher, because in Italy the main problem is the training part of the flight dispatcher. So we are very happy that have this collaboration with Leon, because with that we can provide a fully training also to the operating part. So it's very, very important, because in case of some problem, diversion, aircraft on ground, we can teach to our students how to manage this situation. That is the most important part for an air operator, because it depends a lot of money. So you know, Rafał, that is a big topic for aviation.
All right, and how important is to educate the future dispatchers in software like Leon?
It's very important, because a system like Leon can provide a customization for each air operator. So when students already know how to use some command in Leon, when he reach an air operator that uses Leon like Sky Alps, that is another collaboration that we have, and also Leon, the training part is less, so the flight dispatcher can reach automation and skill level before than other without any study related to Leon or other operations dispatch software.
So this educational part in Leon transfers to quicker adapt to working environment?
Yes, because with some system like Leon, we can provide easier solution also for the air operator, so he can reduce the cost from the air operator part. So it's very useful also for the students and also for the air operator.
All right.